Welcome to the FitLife Secret channel, you lot. We're thrilled to have you here at H's Kitchen, where we believe in the power of fresh, wholesome ingredients and the joy of cooking from scratch. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey that promises not just to tantalize your taste buds, but also to nourish your body and soul. Today, we're not messing about with some sad, soggy excuses for dishes. We're here to show you how to transform your meals into vibrant, nutritious feasts that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Forget those processed, unhealthy options that do nothing but weigh you down. It's time to embrace the goodness of nature's bounty. We're diving right into the heart of healthy eating, tackling that stubborn belly fat head-on. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, we've got something for everyone. Imagine waking up every day feeling lighter, more energetic, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. That's the power of eating right and staying active. Get ready to learn about the top 8 vegetables that'll have you feeling lighter, brighter, and ready to take on the world. These aren't just any vegetables. They're packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that your body craves. From leafy greens to vibrant root vegetables, we'll show you how to incorporate these powerhouses into your daily meals in delicious and creative ways. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button and ding the bell, because this is one recipe for success you don't want to miss. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest videos, tips, and recipes that will help you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. So, grab your apron, get ready to cook along with us, and let's make magic happen in the kitchen. Cooking is not just about feeding your body, it's about feeding your soul. It's about the joy of creating something beautiful and nourishing for yourself and your loved ones. Here at H's Kitchen, we believe that everyone has the potential to be a great cook, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure together. Fresh herbs are a game changer in the kitchen. They add incredible flavor, aroma, and a burst of freshness to any dish. We'll show you how to grow your own herbs at home, so you always have a supply of these wonderful ingredients at your fingertips. Imagine the satisfaction of picking your own basil, rosemary, or mint, and using them to elevate your meals to the next level. Cooking techniques are the foundation of great cooking. Whether it's mastering the art of sautéing, perfecting your knife skills, or learning how to balance flavors, we've got you covered. Our step-by-step tutorials will make you feel confident and capable in the kitchen, no matter your skill level. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. At the end of the day, food is about bringing people together. It's about sharing moments, creating memories, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life. Here at H's Kitchen, we celebrate the communal aspect of food and the joy it brings to our lives. So gather your friends and family, and let's make every meal a celebration of love, health, and happiness. First up, we've got spinach. This isn't just any ordinary leafy green, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your meals and your health. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Spinach? That's Popeye's thing. But let's dive deeper into why this vegetable deserves a spot in your kitchen. But listen up, you donkey. This leafy green is a lean, mean, fat-fighting machine. It's not just about building muscles like Popeye, it's about overall wellness. Low in calories and packed with fiber, spinach will fill you up without weighing you down. It's perfect for those looking to maintain or lose weight without feeling deprived. You can toss it in a salad, adding a vibrant green color and a fresh, crisp texture that pairs well with a variety of other vegetables and dressings. Sauté it with some garlic, and you've got a quick and delicious side dish that's bursting with flavor. The garlic enhances the natural taste of spinach, making it a delightful addition to any meal. Or even sneak it into a smoothie. You won't even taste it, but you'll get all the benefits. It's a great way to add nutrients to your diet without changing the flavor of your favorite drinks. Don't even try to argue with me on this one. Spinach is versatile, nutritious, and easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, spinach is your friend. You can chop it up and add it to soups and stews, giving them a nutritional boost and a pop of color. It's an easy way to make your comfort foods healthier. Or how about a creamy spinach dip? Perfect for parties and gatherings. It's a crowd pleaser that sneaks in some greens without anyone noticing. Add it to your pasta dishes for an extra layer of flavor and nutrition. Spinach pairs wonderfully with a variety of sauces, from creamy Alfredo to tangy marinara. Speaking of pasta, have you tried spinach pesto? It's a delicious twist on the classic basil pesto, offering a unique taste and a boost of vitamins and minerals. And let's not forget breakfast. Add spinach to your omelets or scrambled eggs for a nutritious start to your day. It's an easy way to get some greens in the morning, or throw some spinach into your sandwiches and wraps. It adds a fresh crunch and a burst of nutrients, making your lunch more exciting and healthy. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't skip the spinach. It's not just for sailors anymore, it's for everyone who wants to eat well and feel great. Embrace the power of spinach and let it transform your meals and your health. Trust me, your body will thank you. Next up is broccoli, and no, I'm not talking about some mushy, overcooked mess. We're talking vibrant, crunchy, and bursting with flavor. This veggie's got your back with vitamins, minerals, and enough fiber to keep you satisfied for hours. Roast it with a touch of olive oil and a pinch of salt, or steam it until it's just tender. You'll be thanking me later. Kale, you beautiful, nutrient-dense beast, you. This leafy green is not for the faint of heart. It's packed with flavor and will have you feeling like you can conquer the world. Toss it in a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or bake it into crispy chips. Trust me, your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Cauliflower, you cunning little devil, you can transform into pizza crusts, rice, even mashed potatoes. This versatile veggie is low in carbs and calories, but big on flavor. Roast it, steam it, mash it, or even air fry it. The possibilities are endless. Bell peppers, you colorful little devils. Don't let their sweetness fool you. These babies are packed with antioxidants and are here to help you fight belly fat. Slice them up for a snack, toss them in a stir fry, or stuff them with your favorite healthy fillings. Get creative and let those colors shine. Asparagus, you elegant spears of goodness. Not only do you taste incredible with a touch of lemon and a sprinkle of salt, but you're also a natural diuretic. That means you'll help flush out excess water weight and keep you feeling light and lean. Roast it, grill it, or sauté it. Just don't overcook it, you hear me? Zucchini, you sneaky little vegetable hiding in plain sight. Low in calories and incredibly versatile, you can transform into noodles, ribbons, or even a healthy swap for pasta. Spiralize it, sauté it, or grill it. The possibilities are endless. You're the secret weapon for a lighter, healthier you. Last but not least, we've got carrots. These vibrant orange wonders are high in fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Snack on them raw, roast them until tender, or add them to soups and stews for a touch of sweetness. Don't underestimate the power of the mighty carrot. Well, there you have it. We've explored some fantastic vegetables that can help you on your journey to a healthier, leaner you. These 8 amazing vegetables are not just nutritious, but also incredibly effective in torching that stubborn belly fat. Incorporating them into your diet can make a significant difference in how you feel and look. Imagine feeling like £1,000,000, full of energy and vitality. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. There are countless ways to make your meals exciting and delicious. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different flavors, spices, and cooking methods. You might discover new favorite dishes that are both healthy and satisfying. Whether it's a vibrant salad, a hearty vegetable stew, or a refreshing smoothie, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more incredible health tips, and let me know in the comments which vegetable is your favorite. Your feedback helps us create content that you love and find useful. Now go forth and conquer that belly fat. Remember, it's not just about the food you eat, but also about staying active. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, whether it's jogging in the park, joining a group workout session, or simply taking a brisk walk every day. Combining a healthy diet with physical activity is the key to achieving your fitness goals. And don't forget the importance of mental well-being. Stress can often lead to unhealthy eating habits and weight gain. Take time to relax and unwind. Practices like meditation, yoga, or even just spending time in nature can help reduce stress and keep you focused on your health journey. Hydration is another crucial aspect. Drinking plenty of water helps your body function optimally and can aid in weight loss. Make sure to carry a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. When it comes to shopping for these amazing vegetables, try to buy fresh and local whenever possible. Farmers markets are a great place to find high-quality produce. Not only are you supporting local farmers, but you're also getting the freshest ingredients for your meals. Planning your meals ahead of time can also make a big difference. Take some time each week to plan out your meals and snacks. This can help you stay on track and avoid the temptation of unhealthy options. Lastly, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Share your healthy meals with friends and family. Make it a social event. Eating healthy can be a fun and rewarding experience when shared with loved ones. So, go ahead and embrace these tips. With a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset, you'll be well on your way to conquering that belly fat and achieving your health goals. You've got this.